Hi everybody, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. My name is Sheila for those of you who know me, and for those of you whose this is their first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Before I say anything else, please hit that like and subscribe button. Always would love to have new subscribers. Today I am making some stuffed chicken breasts. And no, I'm not following a recipe that I saw. I'm basically using what I have in my refrigerator, which is I have cheeses and I have some spices and some seasonings and some breadcrumbs, and I just mixed them all up and put them together. You know what? It's getting a little bit too expensive for groceries these days. Spending $50 to make one meal, that's just a little much. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start creating and using items that I have in my refrigerator. And I'm bringing you along today into the kitchen as I put this stuffed chicken together. I mean, it sounds enticing. It'll probably taste even more enticing when I know it will. I'm almost 100% sure. But you know me, I always deviate from my recipes. Before I say anything else or go further, let me tell you that a recipe is nothing but a blueprint. You know, you have a recipe, unlike baking where everything has to be precise. When you are cooking savory dishes, you can pretty much taste as you go. Well, you should always do that anyway. But, prepare it to the way that you like to have it. You know what I mean? And that's what I did today with the stuff in my kitchen. I get to use up stuff that has been sitting there for a little while, making room for when I do go grocery shopping. So anyway, sit back and enjoy. Let's get started. I have 3 chicken breasts, and I'm going to cut each of them halfway through in order to provide for the stuffing. They might be kind of hard to slice, but grab them in the middle and just take your knife and work it through the middle of the chicken breast. Now I'm going to take the cheeses that I have, which are the cream cheese, the yellow cheddar cheese, and the Parmesan, and mix them all up with the rest of the seasonings. As I said at the beginning of this video, you can add whatever, seasonings and, cheeses, whatever you want to do in regards to, stuffing the chicken breast. It's all on what you want to do. It's called creative, ability, and just basically just do your own thing, I'm mixing all this stuff up that I have. And then I'm going to prepare to stuff the chicken breast. Now I start to place the stuffing inside each chicken breast. I start off with this first one. And I'm going to make sure that I push it as deep as I can into the center of the chicken breast. And I will go ahead and repeat this with the other chicken breasts as well. Now I'm going to put some olive oil into a medium-sized pan and add my chicken breast in there. Basically, I just want to sear both sides of the chicken breast. I'm adding a little bit more seasoning, breadcrumbs, just to make it crispy. Okay, I've just taken these out of the oven after about 35 minutes or so. As you know, I had browned them on top of the stove, and then I put them into the oven, covered it up with a little bit of tin foil, and total time was about 35 minutes or so, and I think it looks pretty good, you know, considering I used my own ingredients that I had in the refrigerator. I just made this recipe up as I went along. I'm gonna plate it up, and then I'm gonna give you my synopsis of everything. Okay. So this is how it came out. Look how beautiful it is. Nice and crispy. There's the cheese inside, oozing out a little bit. Can't wait to eat it. Wow. I'm sorry, I was hungry. I had to finish at least half of that up. It was delicious. I think you will like it when you make it. And like I said, you know, put the type of seasonings that you like in it. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. All right now, bye.